Hello guys, welcome to the channel The Amazicellent Hacker. Today I'm going to solve the box madness from TryHackMe. So before getting into the walkthrough, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, I'm in the site tryhackme.com. I've already joined this room madness and also deployed the box. So here is my IP. Let me start the walkthrough with nmap scan. Okay, to run an nmap scan, just copy the IP first, go to the terminal and type sudo nmap-sc to run the first scripts -s with enumerate version and the machine's IP. Let's hit and then wait for the scan to get completed. I'm just going to stop it here and get the scan results. Okay, as you can see that there are two ports open, port 22 SSH and port 80 HTTP. Okay, let's start our enumeration with HTTP port. Okay, just open a browser and paste the IP. Okay, as you can see, there's some sort of default Apache to page. Okay, let me check out the page source. Okay, so there's some sort of comment. They will never find me. Okay, and there is another image also, tsm.jpg file. Okay, let me quickly download it too. Okay, so here's the image that I just downloaded, tsm.jpg. Okay, let me just open it. Okay, there's some sort of error with it. Right, okay, let me just check how this hex code. So hex editor. So hex editor is pretty handy script that will just allow us to edit hex values as well as view it. Okay, let me just quickly view it. Alright, so the file name is tsm.jpg, but the header file is that of png. Okay, so I think we need to kind of change that. Okay, let me just google around a bit for jpg header file. Okay, let me just search jpg header hex file. What I can do is I can open another jpg file too. Okay, let me save anyone. It's a png one. Okay, let me just search for jpg file. JPEG, not JPEG. I need JPG file. Okay, so JPEG. Alright, so here is one .jpg file. Okay, let me download it. So it's the full madness. Okay, here it is. Let me save it. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to open another terminal. I'm going to divide it. Okay, so here is the file .jpg image that I just downloaded. Okay, let me view its hex codes. Okay, so it should have this header like this, dot 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 and jfif. Okay, so let me just change that in my tsm.jpg file. So it's ff d8 ff e0 0010 4a 46. Where did I go wrong? Okay, 0 1 0 4a 46 49 46. Okay, I think rest of the part is same, as you can see, and I changed this one dot to jfif. Okay, let me save it. So just press Ctrl and X and it'll just save and exit the file. Now let me open it. Alright, now we have fixed that image. So there seems to be some sort of hidden directory. Let me check that out too. Let me close them all. Yes, yes. Alright, so welcome. I have been expecting you to obtain my identity unit. Guess my secret and third. Secret and okay, let me just try that. What secret is a parameter? SECRET secret equals to 1. Alright, so this is the parameter we need to change. So that is wrong, get out of here. Okay, so now let's try some brute forcing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open OAuth's zap to try to brute force and find out that secret number that we need. Okay, so you can just use double fuzz also, or intruder from suid also. Okay, I'm going to try this one with zap. Okay, so just wait for it to load. So let me copy the URL. Alright, let me check zap again. So here it is. Okay, now let me set it to repeater, I think. Okay, let me add to this folder location. We're going to fuzz it with numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, let's try that out first. From 1 to 100 and increment 1. Okay. And now let's try start the fuzzing. Okay, it completed the fuzzing. Okay. So we are going to check it here. Secret ended, that is wrong. Okay, I don't know how to check it automatically. I know that with Bob's it, but I don't know how to just check out this string automatically with this zap. Okay, so I'm going to do it manually. Alright, there seems to be some sort of another string. Okay, Sacred and the 73. Ah, you got it right, but I won't tell you who am I. Okay, so I think the sacred number is 73. Okay, let's hit it again. Let's change the sacred number to 73. Alright, there seems to be some sort of password. Okay, so we don't have the username actually, so we can't use SSH. So as you can see, it says that this challenge doesn't require SSH brute forcing. So we got ourselves a password, so we also have to find ourselves a username. So we can't actually brute force it. Okay. Okay, let's check if this image file got anything more hidden in it or not. Okay. Let me just try the stay guide. Stay guide dash extract sf and the file name. So what was the passphrase? I wrote it in hidden text. So here's the username. Right, we got some sort of username, but I think it is kind of encrypted again. Okay, let me try decoding it. Caesar try for. It is probably Caesar or vinaigrette. Let's try Caesar cipher first. Alright, there seems to be some sort of. There is one more joker that made sense in it. So the user is probably joker. Okay. Let me try the username joker and password that I found again. Okay. What was the IP? 10.10.146.190. 10.10.1. Okay, it says that permission denied, so it's not a password. Alright, so I can search for around 15 to 20 minutes. I found nothing, no any username. Okay, I kinda found username is Joker, but I didn't find any credential password. So I kind of consulted a walkthrough. So it was kind of funny, so where I found the password. So the password was actually hidden in this image inside this room on site tryhackme.com. So it is kind of some sort of funny thing. Okay, let me just download the image. So here's the image. So it was actually hidden inside this. Okay. Same thing that we did with tsm.jpg, but this time there isn't any password. So here's a password.txt file. So what's the IP? 10.10.146.190. 10.10.146.1. Okay, let me copy that again. It says password denied. Why the hell does it say the password denied? don't know why it is not working. Let me try a couple of times again. Alright, now it's working. I don't know what happened there. So here's our user flag, user.text. Okay, let me copy it. So here's our user flag. Let's get to privilege escalation part. So first privilege escalation, I like to check if there are any scripts with suid enabled or suid or suid enabled. So let me just check the scripts with sudo one. Let me copy password again. Okay, so uses Zoka may not run sudo on Ubuntu. Okay. Let me just check if there are any scripts with suid bits enabled. To do that, I'm going to use find command. If you don't know how to use find command, I have made a separate video on that. I'll just drop the link to that in the description below. Just check that out. Okay, it's quite nice to kind of know how to run find command. Okay, now to search files with suid bits enabled, just type find to search in all directories and give permission that you cause S for suid bits enabled, and we are searching for file type this files. Okay, now let's suppress the error. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, so rest of the file are got the usual file. I didn't think screen and this screen 4.5.0 the all usual file with suid bits enabled. Okay, let's search Google for vulnerabilities related to this screen. First check plus let's see source exploit. Okay, I can't find it with source exploit. Okay, let me just search it in Google. Alright, there's MTV exploit in exploit.db. So it's local privilege escalation exploit. Okay, so here's a bash script for it. Alright, let me quickly copy it and paste it in that. Let me run it. I don't want to get into details of how these scripts work or how this exploit work. Okay, let me just quickly copy it and try to run it, and hopefully we'll get a escalated privilege. Okay, let me first go to temp directory. Okay, let me make a new script and name it as script.sh and paste the script that I just copied from exploit.db. Okay, let me save it. So it's the script.sh file. Okay, let me make it executable. Okay, now let me run it. It's doing something. Alright, now we are root user, as you can see. Okay, now let's get the root flag too. So what we did there was we kind of exploited the vulnerability related to this screen version 4.5.0. okay, that's what we did. I'm not going into the detail of the whole process. Alright, so we successfully completed the box. Congratulations message too. So overall this box was quite easy except the part that the password for the user Joker was hidden inside this image. Okay, this was in this video. If there are any queries, just leave them in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.